Oh, is this still on? No, I think I switched this off by mistake. Well, here's the second one anyway. Right, me heater for me tramp I built, 30 quid, and it's working. Glowing nicely, you know, so I don't know what it's like in the wind. That's why I've got it in the metal box. But no, 2 to 3 minutes of heating it up. Filled it up with methylated spirits there. Give it a minute to soak in. Topped it up again. Let it really go out. 10 pumps. Give it a minute. Another 20 pumps. And that's going nicely. Nice and quiet. I think it might want a bit of a clean out. I've got no idea. I'm going to have to read up on this one how to strip it down, because I believe that should get a lot hotter. But you've got a nice blue flame up the top there. So that's it. Nice one.